Pawiekans is here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, you read it right, I will be unboxing my new mechanical keyboard, and that is the Zifriend ZA63 Pro. So without further ado, let us unbox this beast. Disclaimer guys, hindi tayo tech savvy. Ito lang tayo para mag-unbox at mabigyan lang kayo ng a little bit of background dito sa Zifriend. Hindi ko alam kung anong pronunciation. Basta yun, I bought it in Shopee. So I will just put the link on the description box below. So yeah, keep on watching. guys, so let me just set up this whole damn thing. So the USB is here. Para mag-connect siya sa ating desktop or laptop, we just have to remove this. Magnetic siya, so you don't have to worry losing it. Yan. Dali lang siyang insert. Pero ba't ako nahihirapan ngayon? Pinapaya mo ako. Ayan. Nag-insert na siya agad. And, yun. Tanggal lang. So, let us try. Ganito siya kaliit. Ayan. Para lang siyang sa wireless na mga mouse. Okay, connected na. So, all we have to do is click the function, and Q. Yan. So, yan, makikita nyo, nagbi-blink si Q. Hindi nyo ako nakikita. Hindi nyo nakikita, basta nagbi-blink siya. And let me just try it sa Word. Okay, it's working. Tingnan nyo. Guys, it's really working and it's really good. O, yan ah. Tingnan nyo. O. Ano ko na lang kung di nyo pa makita yan. Even the space is working. Enter. Working ba? Working. Good. It's a linear switch. That's why it's kinda linear. Huh? Basta yun. Yes, it's working and I really love it. So, Bluetooth din ito. Kung ayaw niyo mag USB, dahil madami ng mga cables na nakakonect sa inyong laptops or desktop, then okay lang. Pwede tayong mag-connect via Bluetooth. You just need to switch on your Bluetooth sa inyong device. And, i-off ko lang muna to, ha? And all you have to do is to, hold on. Let me just change the color of it. Or ito tone down ko na lang para, ayan, ito na lang. Diba, Q kapag nagko-connect siya via USB, kapag wireless, and kapag Bluetooth naman, all you have to do is click the function and letter R. Function plus R. Yan. Function and R. Yan. Mag-blink naman si letter R. And kapag wired naman ang gusto nyong gamitin, yes, pwede rin po yung wired. Yung nakita niyo yung parang wire nga, wired. Yung wire kanina na nag-unbox tayo. All you have to do is i-plug nyo lang yun. USB-C siya. Yan. Sa inyong computer or laptop. And after that, click the function again. And letter E. E naman si wired. Hindi siya nakakalito, okay? So, si Q is for wireless, E for wired, and R for Bluetooth. That's all you have to do. Since may mga label naman sila dito. Yan. Nakalagay dyan 2.4G, wired, and BP1. So, hindi kayo pwede mag-alala dahil sobrang dali lang niyang gamitin. And ito, function tab kapag gusto niyo magpalit ng colors. And syempre, ba't nakikita pa ako sa pwesto ko? Basta yun, pinakita ko na kanina. So, budget friendly din to, guys. So yun, I just got the video and thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, Pawiekans!